Hi guys, welcome back to Queen G's Recipes, and today I am going to be showing you how to make a Nutella brownie in a mug microwave recipe. Very simple, very delicious, and very chocolatey, fudgy, and somewhat chewy brownie. So let's go over the ingredients. You will be needing, of course, some Nutella. We are going to be using 1 tablespoon of Nutella. We're also going to be using 1 tablespoon of margarine or butter softened at room temperature. Here we also have 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. You'll also be needing 1 egg yolk, just the yolk. Here you also will be needing 1 tablespoon of flour and a little pinch of salt. And here I have between 1/4 and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/8 teaspoon of instant espresso powder. This is optional, but it does enhance the chocolate flavor. So we'll be adding that in as well. I just have some chocolate sprinkles, which is definitely optional, that we will be using at the end once our brownie is baked and done. And of course you'll be needing a mug to make your brownie in. Any mug will do, or a small bowl. And here I'll be using a small bowl to mix my ingredients, but definitely not optional. You can do it right in your mug. Okay, so we're gonna take our egg yolk and put it into our little bowl, and we're gonna give that a nice little whisk. Then we're going to add in our vanilla extract and the espresso powder. Now when using espresso powder, I do suggest dissolving it in the vanilla. Just leave it there for a few seconds and it dissolves on its own. And now we'll be adding in the remaining wet ingredients and our brown sugar. Just mix it all in there, and with a whisk or a fork, you can mix it all together. Just mix it well until everything is nicely incorporated and it's creamy looking, like a creamy texture. Now we'll add in our final ingredient, the flour and the salt mixture. And we're just going to gently whisk that in, just until incorporated. You don't need to overmix it. Now there's no need to spray or butter the mug. Just put it directly into your mug, or if you're mixing it in your mug, it's ready to go into the microwave. So depending on the watts of your microwave, it should take only a minute, give or take a few seconds. In my microwave, I know for sure it's just 1 minute, but what I do is I put it in 30-second intervals. So I'm gonna put it in my microwave right now for 30 seconds. I'm gonna stop and then put it in for another 30 seconds, and then my brownie will be ready to eat. Okay guys, so here you have it, our Nutella brownie. My brownie was in the microwave for exactly 1 minute at 30-second intervals. And now, just for a little added touch, we're going to add a few chocolate sprinkles. And we are ready to serve. Now make sure that you do wait a couple of minutes, because it comes out piping hot and you might burn your tongue. So let's dig in and try our brownie. I really hope you guys enjoyed this very simple but very delicious recipe. I really enjoyed making this video for you guys. So don't forget to subscribe so you can see my future videos, and take care. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.